Hey man, we gotta work on your footwork. It's giving baby giraffe. Don't sweat it though, because I'm gonna give you 10 drills to have you moving fast, balanced, and explosive. And the best part is, you don't have to have a partner for these. So you can do them anytime, anywhere. Let's go.
Number 1, forward and backward. This is the foundation. If you can't move forward and backward in your stance, you can't close distance, and you sure as hell can't shoot. Closest foot moves first. That means if I'm moving forward, I move my lead leg first. If I'm moving backward, I move my rear leg first. Every step breaks your stance, and that's fine, but the second step has to reestablish it. Always. Equal steps, keep a rhythm. Drill this in a straight line forward and backward until it's automatic. Number 2, stance switch. Basic movement, done. Now we need to be able to switch stances. Here's the rule. Take a step big enough to land in the opposite stance. Simple. But here's what most people miss. That new stance means a new lead leg, which means we have a new lead hand we need to keep low to defend that leg. One hand low, one hand ready to tie up, switch, adjust, repeat. Forward and backward down the same line, do it until you can switch without even thinking. Hey, if you're getting value from this, do me a massive favor. Take 2 seconds, drop below the video and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It's hands down the best way to support the channel, and it'll make sure you don't miss my next video. All right, let's get back to it. Number 3, combine them. Now, it's time to mix these two up. 3 steps in a line and then switch. Boom, 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 switch. Boom, 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 switch. Say it out loud if you have to, but this drill is gonna make sure we can use the other 2 interchangeably. Number 4, lateral movement. You can move forward and backward, cool, but wrestling isn't in a straight line. You need to move laterally. You need angles. So we're gonna set a water bottle or any other small object in the center of the mat. And my job is to keep my lead leg pointed at it. I wanna move around it clockwise and counterclockwise. The same rule applies as in the first drill. If we step 6 inches with the lead foot, we have to bring the trail foot 6 inches to catch up. Always reestablish your stance. Number 5, the shuffle step. Now we speed it up. When you want to move faster on an angle, this is how. We start in a square stance, we take a shuffle step, the opposite foot slides in, and then we pivot around it. So we're breaking our stance for a split second, but that's a trade-off for speed. Just like the previous move, we want to make sure we're facing the target object the whole time, and we can move clockwise or counterclockwise. Number 6, the pivot drill. This drill is going to get us used to drastic angle changes. All I'm going to do is take a hamstring curl on the mat with my lead leg, push off of my back leg, and pivot 180 degrees to face the opposite direction. We can do this and maintain the same stance lead, or we can play around with switching to the opposite stance on the pivot. It's up to you. Number 7, fake, reset, circle. We're going to be getting into some advanced drills here to tie some movements together. So we start with a square stance, and we step forward into a staggered stance and fake. We step back to a square stance and then we circle. Big step, fake the shot, reset, circle. This drill is going to help you tie the square and staggered stance together and get used to switching them up and moving. Number 8, the triple threat drill. We're going to fake one way, switch our stance, and threaten to the opposite side. We switch one more time and shoot to that side. It looks fancy, but it's not. It's timing, rhythm, and confidence. You're forcing your opponent to guess, and when they guess, they're not actually reading you. Number 9, front headlock footwork. We also have to get used to the footwork of circling from a front headlock. For this, we can either use an exercise ball, or if you don't have one of those, a chair will do. All we do is put chest pressure on the ball and shuffle our feet to either side as we simulate a go behind. Number 10, the final drill. This one looks like a lot, but once it clicks, it's gold. We're gonna fake the same side twice. Then we're gonna drop to a knee, fake the opposite side, and stand up and shoot to the original side. This is gonna connect everything: footwork, fakes, angles, level changes, and attack variety. You're gonna become unpredictable, and unpredictable is dangerous. Now listen, you've got the drills, but none of it means anything if you don't do the work. Drill these before and after practice, just a few reps every day. That's it. It doesn't have to be a ton, just consistent. You do that, and in a couple months, your feet will be moving like a pro. You'll feel faster, smoother, and more in control. Question is, are you gonna start drilling these, or are you gonna stay stuck in the mud? It's your choice. Get to work.
What's happening? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, this one is my most recent, and the video I recommend personally for you is this one. If you've got a question or something you want me to cover in the future, drop me a line below. I read every comment. I love hearing from you guys. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one.